Alright guys, come with me as I show you a amazing place I'm going to. I'm heading to a World War II air show. This is pretty cool. Check this out. So I am currently at the World War II show in Reading, PA. Highly, highly recommend it. Check this stuff out. Alright guys, that was a bit of the World War II air show in Reading. Fortunately I didn't get more. There is more. There's like reenactments. There's a lot of planes flying. I just got a little on camera because I was spending more time with the people I was with. They have, like, as you saw in the video, houses that look like they did back in the 40s. Really, just like a step back in time. I really don't know how to end this video, so I figured I'd show you at the end some pictures that I took of some cars and along with other things. But before I do, just remember, be cool, be kind, and be safe. I will catch you in my next video. Peace.